Welcome to the video. Today we're at Porter's Lake Provincial Park. It is one of the most incredible places I've ever been to. Awesome views, great day use area, and even better camping spots. So the camping area has a ton of different options. You can choose to do a walk-in and camp with a tent, or you could choose to drive up. There's several different camping sites that are basically just so you can just drive in, no hookups, or there's a whole area for full hookups if that's what you want. And that area even has like a little mini beach that's right next to it. There is a beach area for all the campers that you can go to, and it was very, very nice. It has like these little pebbles that are on the ground. Just a great place to hang out. I would highly recommend, if you're gonna get coffee in the morning, go ahead and check this place out, because it's going to be definitely a really cool morning spot. There's a couple different areas. So I stayed at the far end of the campground, site 82. It had the best view that I could see, and also I really liked it. When I was there, you know, like I was researching and I found that to be the best view, but also it was the best view that I could see. It is a walk-in site, so I ended up just bringing a tent with me for my backpacking kit, and then I just tented there. That was great. Site itself was fairly small, but still pretty fine. It had a picnic table. All the sites have picnic tables, as well as the fire pit. I didn't use it just because timing wise it just didn't work out, but there's a parking lot that's perfectly fine for you to park your car there. Several different spots that kind of span around the whole edge of the island, which is really cool. There are outhouses that are stationed kind of all around all the campsites, and then there is, as far as I can see, there's one actual bathroom with a shower, and that's at Loop C. So I was actually just traveling around just to kind of check out the place, and I just drove up and ended up stopping and taking a shower, so that was nice. Yeah, it was just overall great camping spot. They have a range of different camping areas in that Group C, and then I think like though the best views, if you want really good views, I would check out all the walk-in camping areas. And then if you want to get the good experience still, but like drive up, then you have those options as well. So you have tons of different options on how you want to camp here, which I think is really cool. The views are just incredible. I mean, just the drive between the two islands is just awesome. I really like that. Pretty much everywhere you walk or see, there's a great view. There is places to get water. Water spigots are pretty much everywhere. That's where the outhouses usually are too. Day use area, that's where I am right now, is great. Tons of parking spots, as well as tons of different areas that you can go to. As you're driving, there's going to be a few little kind of offshoots that have like a picnic table that you can stay at, and then they have like a main area where you could park and kind of walk around the whole day use area. They also have tons of different trails that kind of lead off in different places that kind of go around the lake that's behind me. That's the Porter's Lake. Those are really awesome. I would highly recommend those if you want something to do during the day. You could just literally go from your campsite to the day use area and spend a whole day just exploring. I mean, that's really cool. There is options for firewood that you can buy, and there's only certain times of day that you can buy it. So between 8 and 2 they don't have access to firewood because you're not able to burn during that time, and then anytime after 2 o'clock you can burn, and so you can buy it after that. I haven't quite seen that before, but it makes sense because those are like apparently the danger areas of, you know, when it's the hottest, so it can cause fires, and obviously we want to prevent that. I didn't really interact with the staff too much, but they seemed fairly friendly. They were just driving around. That was a plus. I didn't have to check in or anything like that. When I got here, all I did was drive right through, because the same thing as the last place. If you have a permit, you're good to go. You just drive up, go to your site. And so that's what I did. So I also ran into this thing where local beach that's like right down the road, and I didn't know that. And so I have a video right here about that. There's a ton of surfers, the van life type surfers. So I thought that was kind of cool. I was in a surfer area, but it makes sense. I mean, obviously this whole place is surrounded by ocean, lake. This particular thing is a lake, but there is ocean that's literally right there, which is blowing my mind. Yeah, overall, just a really cool place. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want some more of this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can get more information about this, and I'll see you in the next one.